at you. Today is the day that we get rid of the Terminator. So I'm sitting up here at the dealership. We're putting together some paperwork and stuff so we can walk out here with something different. But it's the last day the Terminator can be part of the family. It's a sad day. She treated us good. We had her for 17 years and 254,000 miles. So guys, we're up here at Ken Ganley. We're working with Madeline Vega. Come check her out if you need a nice car. She's hooking us up.
Yes, I am.
We're getting rid of Terminator today. So if you need something, come holler at her. You see where she's located over on Brook Park Road at Ken Ganley Ford in Parma. She'll take care of you. All right, guys, like I said, we were over here at Ken Ganley Ford out in Parma. We're looking at a replacement for old Terminator over there. Right now we got temporary use of one of these here. This is a 2024 Bronco Big Bend edition. This one's in red. As you can see it right here, it's 2024. This one's the soft top one. This is not the one we want. The one they ordered is a hard top. You can see this soft top one. This one retails for $47. It's got some decent features in there. It's got heated seats. You know, with the Broncos, they come with like a bunch of different packages for these vehicles. So this one is pretty decent for the Big Bend. You know, we just hate the fact that it's got this soft top on there. And you see with the soft top, you can't lift this part up. You can open up the down here on this end to get the bottom door open. But on the hard top, this whole piece will flip up. So on the soft one, I don't know how you get in the back. I don't know if you gotta like detach it here or something like that, but I just don't really care for it. Little dude riding by on the bike. But yeah. So yeah, that's what we're replacing Terminator with. Getting the Bronco. They're basically the same size. I like the ride quality of them. But yeah, that's what we're going with. If I was trying to spend some big money, I'll go with this Raptor version right here. They're using that for other purposes. As you can see, it's got the big old dumb chunky tires on it. That's supposed to Big Bend comes with these smaller ones. But we're gonna be replacing these anyway with something else. So we'll tell you about that once we get them. Yeah, that's it. As you can see the replacement. Wish we can go this big, but we're gonna work this one up until she's looking something like old Terminator over here. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for the video. Thanks for watching. Check you out on the next one. Peace.